Flaxseed gel has a pH of about 7 to 8, which is slightly alkaline, and your hair cuticle loves an acidic environment. Just as you know, your hair strand is made up of keratin protein and water. If you are lacking water, you need aloe vera first. If flaxseed also contains omega-3 fatty acids and something called lignans. When you use aloe vera, you get instant hydration. It has about 20% protein. It gives structure back to hair. Aloe vera plus light oil is a perfect marriage. If protein sensitive hair plus too much flaxseed equals breakage. Some time ago, while we were studying skin and hair structure, my lecturer said something that changed my whole hair journey. If you don't understand the physiology, you will keep treating symptoms and wondering why nothing works. These were the words of my lecturer. And that is exactly what I was doing with aloe vera and flaxseed gel, treating them like they were the same thing, just natural gels. But medically, they are completely different things, different plants. So today we are doing a proper dissection, aloe vera versus flaxseed gel. Which one is actually helping your hair and which one might be lying to you? So don't go anywhere, stay with me. So let's start by meeting the two contestants. First, aloe vera, but we call her nature's pharmacy. Why? Because aloe vera is not just a plant, it is medicine. Scientifically or medically, aloe vera is about 99% water. The remaining 1% is packed with polysaccharide, vitamins, and enzymes. Those polysaccharides are humectants, and if you've been following me or if you've been watching my videos, you know humectants are ingredients that pull water from the air into your hair. Aloe vera is basically that friend who always has water for you. So if you have a thirsty hair, aloe vera says, drink sister. It also has enzymes that break down dead skin on your scalp. That is why dermatologists recommend it for dandruff and inflammation. And the pH of aloe vera is around 4.5 to 5.5, which is almost exactly the same as your scalp's natural pH. So your scalp does not fight it. It is like coming home. Honestly, aloe vera is the straight back cornrows of gels. It is safe, it is gentle, it is predictable. You know what you are getting, no drama. It is time to meet contestant number 2, flaxseed gel. You can call her the sealant queen. When you boil flaxseed, you extract this gel-like substance called mucilage. But flaxseed mucilage is different from aloe vera's own. This is because flaxseed also contains omega-3 fatty acids and something called lignans. Lignans are antioxidants and they form a thin film around your hair strand. So while aloe vera is busy pulling water in, flaxseed is busy locking that water in. It wraps your hair like cling film. That is why flaxseed gives you that stronghold, wash and go that lasts 4 to 5 days, that shine that bounces light, that definition that makes people stop you and ask, what did you use on your hair? Here is the plot twist. Flaxseed gel has a pH of about 7 to 8, which is slightly alkaline, and your hair cuticle loves an acidic environment around 4.5 to 5.5. So if you have low porosity hair and you slap flaxseed on dry hair, your cuticle lifts up, water can't get in, but the gel sits on top. Result: white flakes build up and hair that feels coated but dry inside, like wearing a raincoat under the sun. Now, I hope you see why your hair was confused. Two gels, two completely different mechanisms. Let's quickly break down what actually happens on your strands. When you use aloe vera, you get instant hydration, 10 out of a 10. If your hair feels like dry sponge, aloe vera will soften it in minutes. Your scalp will thank you too, especially if you deal with itching or dandruff. But the interesting thing is, the hold is light, like 3 out of 10. That means your curls move, they breathe, they are touchable. But in humidity, aloe vera alone evaporates by 2 p.m. and then shrinkage comes to humble you. Now let's talk about flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is the opposite. Hold is 9 out of 10. It is strong. That film from the lignans keeps your curls clumped and defined for days. The omega-3 fatty acid smooths your cuticle so light reflects off it. This is why your hair shines. And because flaxseed has about 20% protein, it gives structure back to hair that feels mushy from too much moisture. Now, let's look at the problem. If your hair is of low porosity or protein sensitive, too much flaxseed feels like too much. It creates buildup, flakes, stiffness, like your hair is wearing armor it didn't ask for. Let me give you. So, just as you know, your hair strand is made up of keratin, protein, and water. If you are lacking water, you need aloe vera first. If you are lacking structure and definition, you need flaxseed first. So here is my prescription as your favorite med student plus natural hair girly. If you have a high porosity hair, that is a hair where water enters fast and leaves fast, aloe vera will pull water in. Also, use it if your scalp is itchy, flaky, or inflamed. And also, if you want soft, juicy, touchable curls, not crunchy helmet hair, you can as well use aloe vera. But don't let aloe vera work alone. Aloe vera is water. You need an oil or butter to seal it. Aloe vera plus light oil is a perfect marriage. If you don't know how to make your hair growth oil, I have a video on this channel about how I do make my simple and effective hair growth oil, so you can check it out. It is very simple. I mean, the process is simple, all right, and you're going to enjoy it. So now, use flaxseed gel if you have low porosity hair that needs definition and hold. If your curls collapse by noon, flaxseed will keep them standing. If your hair feels mushy from over moisturizing, flaxseed protein will give it strength back. And if you live in humid places, you need anti-freeze armor. Flaxseed is your soldier. Apply flaxseed on soaking wet hair, alright? Crunch it in, then air dry 100% before you touch your hair. If you touch it while it is still drying, you will get white cast and flakes. Patience is part of the prescription. And please, don't mix them 50-50 blindly. Test first. Do a strand test like we do in the lab, alright? Because protein sensitive hair plus too much flaxseed equals breakage, and I'm sure you don't want that for yourself because this is the growth garden. And also, low porosity hair plus too much aloe vera equals mushy, undefined hair with no hold. Now the big question: who won, aloe vera or flaxseed gel? My beautiful queens, that is a tricky question because nobody won. Your hair does not need the best gel. Your hair needs the right gel for the right season, for the right need. Aloe vera brings the water. Flaxseed builds the house. You don't choose between oxygen and food. You need both. And honestly, that is how life works too. A lot of times we keep searching for that one product that will fix everything, that one oil, the one gel, the one opportunity, the one person. But God taught me something. Growth is always combination therapy. Faith plus work, rest plus discipline, water plus sealant. So this week, I mean from now onwards, after watching this video, my beautiful queens, stop asking which gel is better. Start asking, what is my hair actually lacking right now? What is my heart lacking right now? Always diagnose before you prescribe, for your hair, for your life. Now, I want to hear from you in the comment section, alright? You can comment Team Aloe Vera if you are a hydration queen. Team Flaxseed Gel if you are a hold and definition queen. Or Team Both if you are using wisdom to combine like I do now. Growth does not happen by accident. It happens when you plant yourself on the right soil. And growth garden is that soil. A place where we mix medical science plus God's wisdom plus real hair struggles. So, if your spirit said this is home, obey it, Biko, obey it. Because the best harvest comes to those who stay planted. In a nutshell, this is me asking you, my amazing viewers, to subscribe to my channel, please and please. I'm a med student and a natural hair sister. Don't just grow your hair, grow with wisdom. It is always my desire to see a lot of black queens rocking their natural hair. Until next time, don't forget, I am Annie. You are an Excellite, and this is the Growth Garden. Let us grow excellence together. Don't forget to water your hair as always, my amazing sisters. May your hair be luscious and may your scalp be happy. Bye for now and see you in my next video.